Welcome in on this Monday. You're watching First Shift. I'm Kristen Strakalitis. Coming up, Tesla's possible robo-taxi future. But first, your morning headlines. You can add Toyota and Lexus to the list of automakers planning on keeping lighter inventories on dealership lots in the future. Toyota Motor North America will aim to have 30 days of new vehicles on hand when manufacturing returns to a more normal pace. That compares with its pre-pandemic target in the 40s. Toyota had 17 days worth of inventory on hand as of March 1st. The automaker's U.S. sales chief Bob Carter says Toyota has learned how to be much more efficient. While low inventory levels have hurt U.S. vehicle sales in recent months, it hasn't been all bad for automakers and dealers. Lower incentives and reduced inventory costs has translated into higher profits. In other news, Volkswagen Group expects the supply of semiconductors will not normalize until 2024. The automaker's CFO, Arno Antlitz, telling a German newspaper that he expects the chip crisis to ease this year and next, but the shortage will continue into 2024. That's because chip makers will not be able to meet rising demand even as more production comes online. BMW Group CEO Oliver Zipse made similar predictions in an interview on Monday. Meanwhile, European assembly plants were hammered by the ongoing microchip shortage last week. Auto Forecast Solutions added nearly 100,000 vehicles to its global tally of cars and light trucks that have been removed from automakers' production schedules this year. European factories accounted for nearly all of that total. About 1.4 million vehicles have been axed so far in 2022. 10.5 million vehicles were lost last year. And Tesla's CEO Elon Musk won't be joining the board of Twitter after all. The social media network saying Musk has decided against making the move. The billionaire recently purchased a 9.2% stake in the company and is Twitter's largest shareholder. For this week's Mobility Monday report, we take a look at Tesla's plan to start a robo-taxi service. CEO Elon Musk outlining the effort at the opening of Tesla's $1.1 billion factory in Texas last Thursday. The location is also home to the automaker's new headquarters. Here's Musk.
There's going to be a dedicated robo-taxi that's going to look pretty it's going to look quite futuristic.
Musk also saying Tesla will expand its full self-driving beta software to allow North American FSD subscribers this year. Tesla now sells the advanced driver assist systems for $12,000 with a promise of more features. It says the software does not make its vehicles autonomous and requires driver supervision. The beta version, launched in late 2020, aims to enable cars to navigate city streets better by January. It had been installed in nearly 60,000 vehicles in the United States. We thank you so much for watching. Auto News Now comes your way this afternoon. Take care.